In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download CapCut videos on your desktop computer quickly and easily. If you've finished editing a project in CapCut and want to save the final video to your device, this is the exact process you need. Whether you're exporting a short clip, a social media video, or a full edit, this tutorial will help you download it in the best quality possible. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. Once you have your video ready inside the CapCut desktop app, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Export button. This is the main option you'll use to download your finished video from CapCut. As soon as you click it, a pop-up window will appear with your export settings. In this pop-up, the first thing you'll want to do is enter a file name for your video. Choosing a clear name makes it much easier to find later, especially if you export a lot of videos. After that, click the folder icon so you can choose exactly where you want to save the file on your computer. This is helpful if you want to send the video straight to your desktop, videos folder, or a custom project folder. Next, take a moment to choose your preferred export settings. CapCut gives you options for resolution, format, and frame rate. For the format, make sure you select MP4, since that is the most common and widely supported video format. Then choose the resolution that matches your needs. If you want the highest quality, pick the best available option for your project. After that, select the frame rate that fits your video, especially if you're exporting content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or other platforms. Once everything looks good, click Export at the bottom of the window. CapCut will now begin rendering and saving your video to the location you selected. Depending on the length of your project and the quality settings you chose, this may take a few moments, so just let the process finish. When the export is complete, CapCut will show a prompt letting you open the exact folder where your video was saved. This is very convenient because it takes you directly to the finished file without having to search for it manually. From there, you can preview the video, upload it, rename it, or move it wherever you need. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded your CapCut video to your computer. It's a simple process once you know where the export controls are, and now you can save and share your finished edits with confidence. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.